Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Play of the Heart, and today I'm going to be sharing my project for the Paper Dolls collab. So this collab is all about using dies to make things like animals or dolls or people or Santa Claus. And so I'm having a lot of fun using some of these dies that I've had in my collection and that I have not used. So today I'm going to be using the Spellbinders die, and this die was part of the club. They had done a reading themed one, and so I think this was March. I bought the whole kit caboodle. I forget exactly what this one is called though, so kind of cut off the title of it. But I think it's important that you make sure that you actually don't throw away the packaging if you're going to be putting it into a different envelope or something. So I went ahead and I started putting him together. And what I discovered was these little pieces. I thought they went like in the ears, but actually they go at the eyes. So that's where those go. And the ones that look like little jelly beans, they're for the cheeks. And then I do put a piece of cardstock right there in the back and attached the little feet. So now we're just going to put together the eyes. So the eyes come in two pieces. So you've got the outside of the eye and then the inside of the eye. And so you just kind of glue those together. And then the eyes fit right over those weird kind of feathery pieces. But it gives it like that eyelash look. So it took me a hot second to figure out that's where they went. I'm going to go ahead and glue down the eyes, and then I actually like to use a little gel pen. I actually looked at my other one to make sure there we go. And I did use a little gel pen accent, just a little dot. You can see where I put it in like the circle part of the eye. I just think this little something. Now I've got this piece is one that fits on the side, and then the ear. So the other side does not have anything, but I don't know what that is, but it looks very cute, so it doesn't matter. And then the wing on the one side actually kind of comes in two pieces, but you could just do one. You don't have to do two pieces. You could do whatever you'd like. But I do like the way that it looks. So I've got that wing down, and then I've got my other wing. Now I've done this one to be kind of like Hedwig. So he's a white owl, and I did his scarf in Gryffindor colors, and of course the glasses, which I just like the glasses on the owl. I think he's adorable, but you could do it without the glasses for a completely, different look. And you'll see another project. I think I did two Hedwig style owls and one not Hedwig, so you can kind of get an idea. So I've got that down, and then I'm going to just do his glasses. And I think he's very cute without his glasses, but something about the glasses just really does it for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put his glasses on. And I really like these storage containers. They're really great for putting my little pieces on there. There he is. Really cute. Adorable. So we're going to go ahead and make a couple of cards so that you can see how these look when you put them on a card. Different things you can do. And because this is a Hedwig one, I wanted to make it be like he was at a castle. So I've got my card front here, and I just did a very simple stenciling with a cloud stencil with some distress oxide, and then I did some white paint on top. This magnificent die is from RelandandScrap, and I had gotten it in one of our club kits, and I use it all the time. They do sell, I don't know if they sell this yet in their range. If they don't yet, they will. Everything that becomes a club kit after 6 months does go back into their regular range. I don't remember if this is there yet. It might be. But it's amazing. And you can just use the castle, just use the rock part, and I've used it in a couple of different cards, and I love it. In this case, I decided to use the whole die to make it kind of look a little bit like the castle in Harry Potter. And so, yeah, has its Hogwarts kind of look to it. And then, place this out here. So I've got my Hedwig, and then that Believe in Magic. I want to say, oh, it's an old stamp set from the Sweet Shop stamps, I think, something like that. So they did like some Harry Potter themed ones, and so that sentiment is from there. So I've got my little owl. It's going to just fit right there on the bottom, and then I've got my sentiment. And that way you can get an idea of what these can look like in different card formations. Okay, now the second one, I'm going to be using this die from Popsicle Sticks on Etsy. She sells a bunch of Harry Potter themed stamps, and she's got this castle die. So for the castle die, I went ahead and I die cut it once, and then I took a piece of gray paper, folded it in half, and I die cut it again to make a kind of a shaped card, a little bit of a shaped card. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put, so a different way of having the owl at Hogwarts. And then the sentiment is from Pink Studio. It's one of their ephemera pieces I have left over from one of my virtual retreats. And kindness is magic. It just seemed to fit. And then inside it says thank you. And I think that's very, very cute. Now on to the last card. You can see the card front where my daughter was testing colors because she sits at my desk sometimes and uses my Copics. There's a real rule that they can't take them to their rooms because then they get lost. So I did use this one is much more like the one that's on the packaging, the example there. I've gone ahead and used my embossing folder that I got from Spellbinders when I bought the whole kit and caboodle with the reading was book themed. And I just sprinkled it with some white paint. And then I've got my super cute owl. You can see he looks a little different. And he's going to be sitting on a book. The book comes in this die set. And this little owl will be sitting on the book. And then the sentiment is from, I think, Mama Elephant. So make sure that you visit everyone that's participating in Paper Doll Collab to see what dies they are using, maybe get some ideas of what's out there. These are all my cards. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you guys would subscribe and help me continue to grow my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy from the Hunt.